Welcome back to LGS Cars. Prepare yourself for a journey into Scandinavian elegance and futuristic innovation. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at one of the most anticipated SUVs of the coming year, the all-new 2026 Volvo XC60. With sleek aesthetics, groundbreaking safety tech, and electrified performance, this SUV is not just a car. It's a statement. Scandinavian simplicity meets futuristic sophistication. The 2026 XC60 brings a fresh evolution of Volvo's iconic design language, minimal yet bold. The exterior exudes confidence with its sharpened LED-Thor's hammer headlights, a sleeker front grille with updated Volvo emblem, and refined body lines that flow smoothly across its elegant profile. The reworked rear features 3D LED taillights, new alloy designs, and a subtle spoiler, all of which boost its road presence without being loud. Available in new colors like Arctic White Pearl, Glacier Blue Metallic, and Volcanic Gray, the XC60 2026 carries a premium aura from every angle. Fully digital, incredibly smart interior. Step inside, and you'll find a luxurious cabin infused with Scandinavian craftsmanship, featuring natural materials like sustainable wood, Napa leather, and chrome-free detailing, but beauty is just the beginning. The 13.2-inch floating infotainment screen, running on the latest Android Automotive OS with Google built-in, offers seamless connectivity, intuitive controls, and over-the-air updates. A 12.3-inch digital driver display, ambient lighting, a crystal gear shifter, and a 1-for-all West Bowers and Wilkins sound system create a cocoon of modern comfort. New for 2026 is Volvo's advanced AI-powered personal assistant that adapts to your driving habits, schedule, and climate preferences. Electrified power meets safety legacy. The XC60 2026 comes with multiple powertrains, from mild hybrid to fully electric XC60 Recharge versions. The E variant delivers up to 420 kilometers to 161 miles of range, powered by a dual-motor AWD setup that produces over 400 horsepower, delivering punchy acceleration while remaining whisper-quiet. Volvo also introduces its next-gen Pilot Assist 3.0 with enhanced autonomous driving functions, adaptive cruise control with cornering support, and improved lane centering. Of course, it comes equipped with Volvo's renowned safety features, including the latest in collision avoidance, blind spot alert, 360 camera, and pedestrian detection. Efficiency, sustainability, and legacy. The 2026 XC60 is built on Volvo's SPA2 architecture, shared with the upcoming X90. This makes it lighter, more rigid, and more sustainable, thanks to increased use of recycled materials and low-carbon aluminum. It's not just another SUV, it's a conscious luxury product built for the eco-aware modern family. Final thoughts from LGS Cars. The 2026 Volvo XC60 is not trying to shout. It whispers sophistication through every curve, every detail, and every feature. Whether you're an urban commuter or a weekend adventurer, this SUV promises a balanced blend of power, prestige, and peace of mind.